Hello guys, welcome to Godzilla Bytes YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach about how to download Python software in your computer. First open Google in any of the browser and type Python. Python. In the first, you can see welcome to python.org. Then click the download. Here is the latest version, download Python 3.11.5. Now it is the latest version. It will be updated in period of time. So download this now. Okay. Then you can open this. Then I already downloaded the older version. It is showing upgrade now. You can see there was a install option in your computer. When you open the setup file, you see like this. Before you install, check this box add python.exe. Then you can install normally. Then you can simply open through search. Type IDLE. Open this. You can see this Python terminal. Here you can simply type the basic operation of addition or subtraction, anything. Okay, example 10 plus 10. Press enter. You can add, subtract and basic function, but not the whole Python code cannot, because there was not a output terminal. Then you can create a new file, like go to file and click new file. Then this is your Python interface. Here the font size was very small, so you can go to option and configure IDLE. You can see here the size was 10. Select the font size which was comfortable to see. Here I am making videos, so I take bigger size. Simply type a equal to 10. Here a is a variable, equal to is a assignment letter, 10 is a value. You can imagine that a is a space to save the value 10. Okay, you can create any of the name. You can create variable name like tiger equal to 12 and lion equal to 13, like this. But Python was case sensitive. You can do basic operation in here, and also you can create another variable name and assign another value. Then you can do basic operation like this. For example, you can see here 10 plus 10. Okay, print. It's a open parenthesis, type the variable a, then close parenthesis, press F5. Also you can click run module, run. Here asking to save the file, so okay, select the folder where you want to save this Python file, then type your name or any name. I am typing variable, then press save. You will get the output 20. Here we type 10 plus 10 inside the variable. Then you can try this also. Create the another variable b, then equal to 20. Then inside print you can add b. Okay, let's see. Press F5. Okay, you can see 30. We will get the output of this operation. Then there was another method, like you do not need that variables. It's a normal method, you need to know. Then here was inside Python, you can do the operation inside this, like 10 plus 30. Press F5. Okay, you can see 40. Here we get the operation inside this. I am saying this method because there was many methods to create a program, but if you create a program in simple and time efficiency and take less memory, you will be the best coder. It's a very basic method in the Python. You need to know more in the Python. Press red color button in my channel. Then if you like this tutorial, press like. If you want to improve anything in my channel, please say through the comments. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.